Hello all, welcome to Jubilant. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of setting up webhooks in your CRM using workflows. This step-by-step tutorial will help you integrate webhooks smoothly, so let's get started. First, log in to your CRM account and go to Setting and CRM Settings. Now, find the Automation section and click on Workflows to manage workflow automations. From here, create a new workflow by clicking Add New Workflow. Give your workflow a name so it's easy to identify. Then select the target module from the drop-down list. This is where your workflow will be applied. Now, it's time to add an action to this workflow. Scroll down to the Workflow Actions section and click on Add Action. When the options appear, select JB Webhooks. In this step, you'll need to configure the webhook action. Set an action title to clearly label what this webhook does. In the URL to notify field, we have hard-coded a URL for demo purpose. You can use the URL for checking the works. So copy the demo URL. Now, under Content Type, choose how you'd like the data display. You have two options, Form or JSON. Pick the one that works best for you. Next, select your authentication method. You can choose no authentication or basic authentication, which requires the username and password. Choose the option that fits your needs. Under Parameters, create names for the data fields you'd like to pass through the webhook. For each parameter, select the relevant values based on the information you want to capture. You can add as many parameters as you need to get the job done. Once everything is done, click Save to confirm your webhook settings, and then click Save again to finalize the workflow. To test if the webhook works, go to your target module from the menu, select any record, make an edit to a field, in a new browser tab, paste the copied URL from the URL to notify field and hit Enter. This will show you the data being sent from your CRM. We choose the form content type so that the data display like this format. If we had chosen JSON as the content type, the data would show up in JSON format like this, and that's it, confirming that your webhook is successfully set up. If this tutorial was helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.